Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel Automation with Priyanka. So in the last video, okay, I got interruption because of the restart process, right? We were installing the Docker. And let me show you. When you restart your machine, you will get this window. Okay, it is asking you Docker subscription service agreement. And this is the first step after installation. Okay, once the process is complete, you will install the software. Right? Get this agreement, do accept it. Once it is completed, now this is the main window. Okay, it is asking you to complete your Docker setup. See, use recommended setup only to click on finish. And once you completed, guys, this part, now it will again ask you for the Docker support. Just continue, allow this software and all. And once it is done, you will get this page, Docker desktop. What is the task? Either you can create your Gmail account, you can use your own email address, or you can use your Gmail account. I'll prefer Gmail account. So I will go to the personal and I will use Gmail account here. So this is my account and let me just continue with this account now. Okay. So it is asking us to allow the application. Yes, I will allow it. And you can just click on open. And this is the Docker desktop. Now it is asking you for welcome survey. So right now, if you can just skip it, okay, that is fine. If you skip also, that is also fine. And once it is done, you will able to see this particular page, right? First step is what? Okay, in my case, I'm getting Docker engine stop, but actually Docker engine should be start, guys. Then only you are able to work. So let me log in into my account. So currently it is logging into the same account. You can see the account settings, everything it is actually taking. Let me just check once. Okay. So this is asking for the account detail, but if I can come to here, proceed to Docker desktop. Let me come to this option again because we need to start our engine. Okay, that is a main step. So here the Docker desktop is already open. And we got this update. Now please have a look. So WSL update fail because exit code running this command. Okay, I'll go back to this window. So there is some window got open. Okay, let me first check. And no, I can't see that window now. Okay, let me come to here. So let me first open this. Okay, let's understand why this is coming. So at this moment, just open this container. You see anything here? So it is asking us to update, okay, the C drive Windows System exe update. This is web download and it is exit status 1. So you can manually update using WSL update. Okay, let's try this. Then I will open command prompt and there you can write this command. And yes, it will ask you for Linux update. Accept it. Now see, it is downloading Windows subsystem for Linux 2.4.12. Let this complete, guys. Okay. So previously also I got some command prompt, but I think I ignored that. And that's the reason I'm facing this issue. But fine, now it is installing the same subsystem, whatever it is required, okay, for this setup. So let this complete full process. Yes, so in your case, you might not get this kind of issue. Okay, so don't worry. But if it is, then please try to look and, try to handle it. So now you can see the operation is completed successfully. Let me go back to the Docker and let me check this again process. So if I can open that Docker desktop if I can open this one. Okay, these are the recent version it is installed. Let me close it. Let me minimize it. Okay, let me quit it. I will open again Docker desktop and let's try to restart it. Okay, so now you will able to see this icon here. Double click on it and let's start it again. Okay. And please notice carefully. Now it is starting the Docker engine. So you might face this kind of issue, but please do follow the step and it will work. Okay. So let this start properly. And in the background, I can see some windows coming. Fine. Let this complete first. So once installation is completed, once your engine got started, you will able to see this window. Okay. So actually our Docker setup is completed and how you will get a confirmation, guys. So I told you every Docker command starts with the Docker, right? Just open your command prompt and see I'm getting that WSL window also. Okay. That is Windows subsequent subsystem for the Linux. And this is, WSL wizard. So let me just close it. And when you open your command prompt, no, if Docker is started, engine is started, everything is fine. Now you can try here, simple command, Docker, okay, space, hyphen, hyphen, virtual. And please have a look. Docker installation is completed. Okay, so you just need to check this Docker version. And this is how you can check that particular command. Okay. So in this video, I will discuss what exactly in the previous video I discussed what exactly Docker it is and how the Docker will help you to create your environment. Okay, and now you can see here, guys, in this window. Currently, at this moment, if I click on the container, you are not able to see any container, right? Even there is no image. It's a fresh Docker setup. So you can see currently on this machine, I will now in this environment, I don't have anything. But I'll show you in the next video how you can do the setup for Selenium Grid. And in fact, for main part, which for which I'm creating this series, okay, I would like to show you chain test report, how you guys are able to generate. Okay, so for that, this Docker setup is required. I'll suggest just watch my previous video where you will understand the basic, explanation about the Docker. And there I completed half installation setup. And in this video, you will understand, okay, the remaining installation. So because of the restart, okay, I'm not able to ignore this part. But yes, I have covered two videos now where you will understand the Docker installation and what exactly Docker it is. So go for it and see you in the next session. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.